Good morning, students. Today we are going to start first standard syllabus, and the name of our first poem is Action Song. And what is the name of the poem? You can say actions. What is the name of a action song? A happy song. When we become happy, that time we say song. Yes or no? You might be also saying so. You might be also saying songs. You might be singing songs when you are happy, right? So here is one short happy song in front of you on blackboard. I have written it. So I'll start. Should I start with action song? I will just recite it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, 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 tap your feet together. Walk, 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 walk around together. Jump, 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 jump around together. So this is a short action song which is given in your first poem. So I will do action and show you this song. Okay, now let us start. First I will do it and then my kids will do this song after me. Okay, clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, 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 walk around together. Jump, jump, jump around together. This is action song which you have to do practice at home. Okay, you have to do actions and then sing this song. Okay, once again I will just recite it and after that then my kids will perform this song. Okay, clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk around together. Jump, jump, jump around together. So I'll call my kids now. Come, Utkarsh. I will sing song, you will do actions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Tap, tap, tap your feet. Tap your feet together. Walk, walk, walk around together. Jump, jump, jump around together. After this we are going to use, instead of clap we are going to say, instead of clapping hands, what we are going to say, sing a song. What we are going to say, sing a song. Next one, second one, it is given tap your feet. Instead of tap your feet, what we are going to do, we are going to say wave your hands. Okay, third one is walk around. Instead of walk around we are going to take touch your toes. Now this we are going to change. We are going to change action song. And last one is what, jump around. Instead of jump around, what we are going to say, turn around. Okay, students, let us start. We'll start.
Yes.
Start. Sing, sing, sing a song together. Wave, wave, wave your hands together. Touch, touch, touch your toes together. Turn, turn, turn around together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, students, in this way you have to learn two types of action songs. Okay, first one will be clap your hands, tap your feet, walk around, jump around. Instead of that, then instead of using this four, you are going to learn action song by using these words also. Sing a song, wave your hands, then touch your toes and turn around. Okay, I want everyone to learn this action song. Along with this action song, you have to learn even this action song also. Okay, when you will come in school, I will ask you both action songs, this action song and this action song. And your homework is what? You have to learn this action song. First action song which is there in your textbook, and which action song we prepared just now, that action song also you have to learn. And even you have to write down this action song in your English notebook. You'll have to prepare one new English notebook for first standard. You have to write down name of a poem, unit 1, a happy song, and you have to write down this action song in your notebook. Thank you.